Hello everyone, this is Derek Hurler with HIPPO Valve. Today we're going to demonstrate how to make a seat replacement of our high-performance butterfly valve. You can follow this tutorial video and instructions in our maintenance manual, which is in the back of the maintenance pack. All we need is the retainer ring remover, something that is flat, and a marker that can write on a metal surface. Okay, let's start. Step 1, use the marker to make a mark on the flange face. Step 2, open the disc slightly. But just slightly. Be careful not to open it too much. If fully open, it might get damaged if it hits the desk or table, which could cause a leak. So be careful with here. Step 3, you're going to put this point to point. Press and turn. Okay, now we can remove the retainer ring. You can clean the inside here and remove any dirt with a cloth or an air gun. When you're finished, make sure you place it on a soft cloth face up so it does not get damaged. Step 4, remove the valve seat, set it aside, and check to see if there's any damage or dust on the body. Our disc has been treated with hard chrome, making it easy to identify any scratches. Now we need to use the new seat from the maintenance kit. You can switch to PTFE, RTFE, pure metal, or fire safe. When you change to a different type of seat, we have to be careful about the working temperature and the gland packing. Step 5, make sure the new valve seat is clean and put it in. Step 6, find the pinhole on the retainer ring. Put the pin and the spring in, putting the spring in first. And then the pin. For 2-inch to 6-inch valves, the hole is on the retainer ring. For 8-inch to 44-inch, it's on the valve body. This demo is a 3-inch. Step 7, notice the notch. Put the retainer ring in at a 45-degree angle from the notch. Use a flat tool to help you make it flush. When you twist the ring, you should hear it click into place. To double check and make sure it's locked properly, we can try to rotate it. There should be little to no rotation at all. Finally, after checking the valve seat and the disc is clean, we can close it. Very simple. We're done. Okay, gentlemen, thanks for watching. Today we demonstrate how to replace the seat. We wish you enjoyed the demo today. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at engineering@hippovalve.com. See you next time.